out and first across the line, hey, you win the race. Or if your opponent is chasing you and has to pass you at the finishing line, he's going too quick, well, he gets eliminated and you go through to the next round. So, you know, we've had a lot of drivers that have started here at Aeroclay Race for Real. They've got the drag racing bug. They're thinking, you know what? I've got the consistency in the car. I don't have to spend mega bucks of money on it to have fun. And they step up and join the Street Fighter class. And they have a ball of fun. There's a great bunch of people in that category as well. Sportsman racing. All right, got another Volkswagen Golf. Down here in the rocket lane. This one has had a little bit of work done to it.